Hi children, today is our revision lesson 6. Lesson 6, combustion and play. What is combustion and play? In this chapter we mainly study combustion, then combustible and non-combustible substances, then ignition temperature, inflammable substances, then types of combustion. There are 3 types of combustion, that means rapid, spontaneous and explosions. Then flame and fuel. These are the covering portion of this lesson. Then first is combustion. What is combustion? Combustion means a chemical process in which a substance react with oxygen to give off heat is called combustion. That means any substance react with oxygen to give off heat is called combustion. There are 2 types of combustible substance there, and combustible and non-combustible substance. Combustible means substance react with air and oxygen to give off heat is called combustible. Non-combustible substance means these substance cannot react with air and oxygen. Then ignition temperature means the low temperature in substance burn. Then inflammable substance, then types of combustion, flame and fuel. Then take your copy and look your exercise questions. Then first, list the conditions under which combustion can take place. That means what are the properties or what are the things of how to substance combust. Necessary conditions for combustion are as follows: presence of combustible substance, then proper supply of air to provide oxygen, then attainment of ignition temperature. These are the necessary conditions for combustion. Then second, fill in the blanks. Burning of wood and coal causes dash of air. That means burning of wood and coal causes dash of air, pollution of air. Then option B, a liquid fuel used in homes is, what is the liquid fuel used in homes is kerosene. That is kerosene. Then option C, fuel must be heated to its dash before it starts burning. That means and how to start burning fuels due to the ignition temperature. Then fire produced by oil cannot be controlled by water. That means fire cannot controlled by water. It is usually carbon dioxide, CO2. Then third question, explain how the use of CNG in automobiles has reduced pollution in our cities. That means CNG means compressed natural gas. Then how to this CNG is reduce pollution in our cities. CNG has replaced diesel and petrol as fuel in automobiles because petrol and diesel produce a lot of unburned carbon particles and emitted carbon dioxide, nitrogen oxides and sulfur dioxide. That means substance burning time to see produce smoke or ash there. Then black color smoke contains carbon dioxide and other gases there. These all gases are poisonous gases and cause various environmental hazards. The main causes of acid rain are nitrogen oxides and sulfur dioxide. But CNG is safe because it produces these substances in very small amounts. Thus, the use of CNG is reducing pollution in our cities. Understood? That means CNG produces small amount of these toxic substances when we use CNG in our cities. Then fourth question, compare LPG and wood as fuel. Then what are the difference between LPG and wood? LPG means liquefied petroleum gas. First, LPG. LPG, it is a gaseous fuel. Then wood, it is a solid fuel. Then it does not produce smoke. That means LPG cannot produce smoke. Wood, it produces smoke. Then it is easily stored in cylinders. in your home LPG cylinders there. This easily stored in cylinders. Then wood, it requires more space to store. Then it does not cause any pollution. That means LPG not cause pollution. Then wood, it causes more pollution. Then LPG, its calorific value is high. That means LPG's calorific value is high. That is 55,000 kilojoule per kilogram. Then wood, its calorific value is lesser. That means 17,000 to 22,000 kilojoule per kilogram. Then question number 5. Give reasons. Option A. Water is not used to control fires involving electric equipments. That means in your home current shortage or other type of fires involving time, we cannot use water. Why? Water is not used to control fires involving electrical equipment because water is a good conductor of electricity. So it can easily conduct electric current and causes danger of electric shocks. That means what is the meaning of conductor? Conductor means they pass electricity. Then water is a good conductor of electricity. Then it cannot use fire involving equipments because water is pass electricity into danger in our body. Then option B. LPG is a better domestic fuel than wood. LPG is a better domestic fuel than wood because LPG has more calorific value and produces no pollution, while wood produces smoke and causes more pollution. That means LPG have more calorific value, it cannot produce pollution or smoke, but wood has high calorific value, then it produces smoke and pollution. Then option C. Paper by itself catches fire easily, whereas a piece of paper wrapped around an aluminium pipe does not. That means paper catch fire easily, then wrapped paper in aluminium foil. Then it is because the ignition temperature of paper is less, so it catches fire easily. It does not catch fire when wrapped around aluminium pipe because aluminium absorbs the heat by conduction, so paper does not attain its ignition temperature. Then in your sixth question, one diagram there, you look at textbook and understand. Then question number 7. Name the unit in which the calorific value of a fuel is expressed. That means in fuel calorific value is expressed in kilojoule per kilogram. That is kilojoule per kilogram. That means simple kj bar kg. That means kilojoule per kilogram. Then question number 8. Explain how CO2 is able to control fires. CO2 means carbon dioxide. That means carbon dioxide, how to control fires. Carbon dioxide, CO2 is the best fire extinguisher. Being heavier than oxygen, it covers the fire like a blanket. Since the contact between the fuel and oxygen is cut off, the fire is controlled. It also brings down the temperature of the fuel. That is why it is an excellent fire extinguisher. That means CO2 is the good fire extinguisher. Then question number 9. It is difficult to burn a heap of green leaves, but dry leaves catch fire easily. Explain. That means heap of dry leaves and green leaves. It is difficult to burn a heap of green leaves because the green leaves contain some water, due to which the ignition temperature of leaves increases and they do not catch fire easily, while dry leaves have no water, so they catch fire easily. That means green leaves contains water, dry leaves not contain water, then dry leaves suddenly catch fire and green leaves not suddenly catch fires. Then question number 10. Which sort of flame does a goldsmith use for melting gold and silver and why? That means a goldsmith used the outer zone or non-luminous zone of a flame for melting gold and silver because it is the hottest zone of a flame and has more temperature. Then question number 11. In an experiment, 4.5 kilogram of a fuel was completely burned. The heat produced was measured to be 18,000 kJ. Calculate the calorific value. What is the meaning of calorific value? The amount of heat energy produced on complete combustion of 1 kilogram of a fuel is called its calorific value. That means this fuel is burning complete combustion in 1 kilogram represent calorific value. Then what measurements give total mass of fuel. What is the total mass of fuel? 4.5. Then total heat produced 80,000 kilojoule. 80,000 kilojoule. Now heat produced in burning 1 kilogram of fuel. That means calorific value is total heat produced by total mass of fuel. That means 1,80,000 by 4.5. Then this 4.5 converted into this point converted into numbers. That means 1,000, 8,000 into 10 by 45 is equal to, answer is 40,000 kilojoule per kilogram. That means it is the measurement. Hence, calorific value of fuel is equal to 40,000 kilojoule per kilogram. And question number 12. Can the process of rusting be called combustion? Discuss. Combustion means the substance burned with the help of oxygen or air. And in this question, rusting is a process of combustion. The process of rusting cannot be called combustion because in this process no heat and light is produced. Due to this reason, iron is not considered as combustible substance. That means rusting is not a process of combustion. Then iron is not a combustible substance. Then question number 13. Abeyda and Ramesh were doing an experiment in which water was to be heated in a beaker. Abeyda kept the beaker near the wicked yellow part of the candle flame. Ramesh kept the beaker in the outermost part of the flame, whose water will get heated in a shorter time. That two students there, they do experiments whose beaker is fast hot. Then the water heated by Ramesh will get heated in a shorter time. Ramesh beaker is heated in shorter time because he kept his beaker near the hottest. In candle diagram, see, hottest portion is non-luminous zone of the flame. That means non-luminous area have a more hottest. Then Abeyda's Ramesh beaker is hot in more.